Hello students, I hope all of you okay. Today we are going to have online lesson 7, subtraction with regrouping in tens and ones. Please get your books, get your notebooks, get ready, and we will start now. Page 19, let's answer the homework questions. First one, subtract mentally. 408 minus 3. Count back in ones from 408. Let's write it down. 408, 1, 2, 3. 407, 406, and 405. Okay? So 408 minus 3 equals 405. Okay? B. 655 minus 40. Count back in tens from 655. Let's write it down. 655, 645, 635, 625, 615, right? 10, 20, 30, and 40. So 655 minus 40 equals 615. And C, 726 minus 400. Count back in hundreds from 726. Let's write it down. 726, 626, 526, 426, and 326. Okay? So 726 minus 400 equals 326. Subtract 53 from 574. Subtract the ones. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Subtract the tens. 7 minus 5 equals 2. And subtract the hundreds, which is 5. 521. Subtract 362 from 695. Subtract the ones. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Subtract the tens. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Subtract the hundreds. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 333. Okay? Page 21. 242 minus 128. Let's write it down. First, we need to subtract the ones. But we cannot take away 8 ones from 2 ones. So we need to regroup. Let's take 110 from 10 side. Okay? 110 is 10 ones. Okay? Let's write it down here. And what's left here? 3 tens, right? Because we take 110 from here. Okay? Then 12 minus 8 equals 4. 3 minus 2 equals 1. And 2 minus 1 equals 1. 114. Okay? Let's see the next slide. Page 22. 763 minus 207. We cannot take 7 ones from 3 ones, so we need to regroup. Let's take 1 10 from 6 tens, right? 1 10 is 10 ones, okay? We have 3 here and we add 10 ones, okay? 13 ones. And we take 1 10 from 6 tens, which is 5 tens now, okay? So let's subtract the ones. 13 minus 7 equals 6. Let's subtract the tens. 5 minus 0 equals 5. And lastly, let's subtract the hundreds. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 556. Okay? 291 minus 55. We cannot take 5 ones from 1 1. So we need to regroup. Let's take 1 10 from 9 tens. Okay? So we have 1 here and we add 10 ones. And now we have 11 ones. And what we have here? 8 tens. Okay? First, we need to subtract the ones. 11 minus 5 equals 6. Then we need to subtract the tens. 8 minus 5 equals 3. And we need to subtract the hundreds, which is 2. 236. Okay? 548 minus 319. First we need to subtract the ones, but we cannot take 9 ones from 8 ones. So we need to regroup. Let's take 1 10 from 4 tens, okay? 8 ones plus 10 ones is 18 ones, okay? And we take 1 10 from 4 tens. What's left? 3 tens, okay? Now let's subtract the ones. 18 minus 9 equals 9. And then subtract the tens. 3 minus 1 equals 2. And lastly, subtract the hundreds. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 229. Okay? And the last one, 977 minus 459. First we need to subtract the ones. But we cannot take 9 ones from 7 ones. So we need to regroup. Let's take 1 10 from 7 tens. Okay? 1 10 is 10 ones. So here we have 7 ones plus 10 ones equals 17 ones. And we take 1 10 from 7 tens. And now we have 6 tens. Okay? Now we can subtract the ones. 17 minus 9 equals 8. Then we need to subtract the tens. 6 minus 5 equals 1. And lastly, we need to subtract the hundreds. 9 minus 4 equals 5. 518. Okay? That's it for this video. Thank you for listening and see you in another lesson. Okay? Bye.